Loudly AI music, better than Suno? Full tutorial. Everyone is using Suno, but the pros are moving to Loudly for one reason: total control. Today we're breaking down the tool that's quietly winning the AI music wars and seeing if it's actually better than Suno AI. If you've ever felt limited by prompt-only music generators, this is going to feel very different. Loudly isn't just a type of prompt and hope for magic platform. It's built more like a creative control studio. Here's what makes it different. You control genre, mood, instruments, structure, and energy. You can regenerate specific sections instead of the whole track. It's designed for creators, YouTubers, marketers, and brands, and it focuses heavily on royalty-safe licensing. Unlike Suno, which feels like an AI songwriter, Loudly feels like an AI producer, and that is the main difference between the two. So in order to start creating, first of all, go to your web browser, type in Loudly AI, scroll down and go over to Loudly. Create your account, which is absolutely free. So here we are on Loudly AI. We're going to go up here to the top right corner, click on Start Free Now. And you can continue by either entering in your email address. I'm going to sign in with my Google. You can also continue with Facebook. And so that is going to be absolutely free. No credit card information is required. I'm going to click on Start for Free. And then here we are after successfully creating our account and signing in. This is the Loudly dashboard. So as you can see in this space, you have a new model, which is the Manta 1 model with vocals. You can use that to create a track. Down here, you have several options to start creating or generating your music. So you can either go with the AI music generator, you can go with the AI text to music, the stem splitter, and then you can also distribute your music. So as you go down, you can see some featured genres here. You have techno and drum and bass and these different genres. And then if you go down further, you have some featured moods, which you can go through. And down here, you have some featured themes too. So if you need inspiration, you can go over those. And then also on the sidebar, you'll see here that you have the same options. So you can start creating either with text or generate samples or split the music. And then you also have templates down here, so you can start with templates too, if that's what you want to go for. And then here you'd have the library. So we are going to go to the AI music generator first of all. And then this is the AI music generator workspace. So here you can make AI generated music within seconds. Here you have the genres to choose from. Down here you have all these options and details that you are going to put in. So here you're going to enter in the duration, the different instruments, the genre blend, energy, any audio clip if you want to upload that. You have the key, the tempo, and the structure. And once you've entered in all of that information, you're going to click on generate, and then your track will be generated. Once it's generated, it's going to appear over here. So unlike Suno, instead of writing a long creative paragraph like you would in Suno, Loudly walks you through structured controls. You'll choose genre, mood, energy level, tempo, song length, and this immediately feels more intentional. You're not hoping the AI understands you, you're directing it. So now let's go ahead and create something practical. Imagine that you're making background music for a YouTube tech review. So in that case, first of all, we're going to go to the genre. And from the genre, we're going to choose electronic. And so from the genre here, we're going to choose techno. Then you can choose a subgenre, which is optional. So we're not going to select any of these. Then we're going to go down to duration. So when you click on duration here, you have a pre-selected duration, which is 30 seconds, and you can increase this once you upgrade. So we're good with 30 seconds, and we'll get a preview of what kind of music we're going to be getting. Then go towards instruments, and then for instruments, here you can decide on the drums if you want one. For and synthetic, you have 3 here, and for bass, you have 1. So you can increase and decrease this number and set it up how you would like. Next, go over to the genre blend. So for that, you have the drop down, and from here, this one is auto selected. You can select any other if you want to. Then after the genre blend, go towards energy. Decide the energy. Do you want it to be low, original, or high? So let's go with high. After energy, we'll put in the structure. And for the structure, we have these options. So let's go with the first one, the classic. This one is to the bone. This one is wait for it. And this one is slow burn. Then after structure, you have tempo. So decide the tempo. So here you have the tempo. You can increase or decrease this. After that, you have key. For key, you have selected A minor. And then after key, you can go to the audio clip, which is optional if you want to add in any audio or not. So we've entered in all this information, and then we're just going to click on generate. And then there you go. Within seconds, you get a clean instrumental track. As you can see over here, you have the title up here, and then this is the preview, and these are the details that we put in. You also have the date here, and then you also have a art or image for your music. Down here, these are the previews of the 3 options of the tracks that have been generated. So the first one is called Future Funk. You have Virtual Velocity and Galactic Glitch. So let's go ahead and play these. All right, so that was the first one, Future Funk. Let's play the next one. And then let's play the third one. And so those are our 3 options. Now you would notice that with Suno, you might get amazing vocals and creative songwriting, but less structural control. With Loudly, you get predictable, adjustable production. For content creators, predictability is powerful. Now let's move towards the editing, regenerating, and creating variations. So this is where Loudly really separates itself. After generating your audios, after generating your tracks, you can regenerate variations, you can adjust the intensity, swap the instruments, trim sections, and even create alternative cuts. So instead of starting over every time, you just refine. So these are your options here. When you go to the right, you can either distribute your track, you can add it to your library. If you like it as is, then you can just simply download the track. Or when you go to the 3 dots here, 2 more options, you have here that you can add audio effects. You can also, you have these options, and then you can also change the genre. So if you click here, you can get into the details of that, and you can change the genre that you selected. Here, you can adjust the tempo. So for this track, you can still adjust the tempo. Then you can also adjust the energy. And then here you can adjust the duration as well. But for that, you'll have to upgrade. So you can still make edits, and you can still make those changes and go through more refinement of your track. So with Loudly, you can take a 2-minute track and create a softer background version for it. You can extract a 15-second intro. You can make a higher energy outro. And that workflow efficiency is huge if you upload multiple videos per week. Now let's talk about the big question. Can Loudly beat Suno in vocals? Realistically, no. Suno is currently stronger when it comes to full lyrical songs, emotional vocal realism, viral catchy compositions, and story-driven songwriting. Loudly focuses more on instrumental customization and licensing flexibility. So if you want AI pop songs with lyrics, Suno wins. If you want safe, customizable background music, Loudly might win. Different goals, different winners. Now let's talk about licensing and monetization on Loudly. Now this part matters more than people think. Loudly emphasizes royalty-safe usage. You can use tracks on YouTube, you can create client projects, you can produce branded ads, and avoid copyright headaches. For agencies and freelancers, this is huge. Suno is exciting creatively. Loudly feels safer commercially. If you're building a business, that distinction is important. So for the final verdict, is Loudly better? Here's the honest answer. For viral AI songs, go with Suno. For structured content production, go with Loudly. Suno feels artistic, Loudly feels practical. The shift isn't just about what AI can create, it's about what you can consistently use. And that's where Loudly shines. If you're experimenting, go Suno. If you're building a content machine, Loudly might be smarter. The real power move, use both strategically and make the most of both of the apps combined together.